Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Are you a coffee lover like me? I just love trying out different flavors and combinations in the morning to give my cup a boost. But as I was on my way to that expensive place to get a cup of coffee, I thought about how expensive it was and said, nope, stop, go back home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious flavored coffees using just a few simple ingredients. First, you'll need some flavored extracts. You can find these at most grocery stores or online. Some popular flavors include peppermint, vanilla, almond. Just add a few drops. That can completely transform your coffee. Next, we can use some chocolate syrup. Who doesn't love chocolate and coffee together? This is a classic combination that's easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. If you prefer white chocolate, you can use some white chocolate chips just to give your coffee a creamy and sweet flavor. Simply melt the chips in your coffee and enjoy. Finally, caramel is another popular favorite that pairs perfectly with coffee. You can use a caramel syrup or dulce de leche to give your coffee a rich and velvety texture. All you have to do is stir your favorite flavor into your coffee and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this video on how to make flavored coffees. If you have any other favorite coffee flavors or combinations, be sure to let me know in the comments below.